Example 2. Let us look at a sample problem. Suppose a friend gives you $80, which is 20% of the money that he intends to give you. How could you find the whole? So we have $80 is equal to 20%. The question is, what is the total amount? The total. We set up a ratio. So $80 is equal to 20%. We can write this as 80 is equal to 20 over 100. Well, we can complete this now. We complete this as a proportion. Remember, a proportion is actually a comparison of two ratios. So the bottom part of that top number 80 would be x, since we don't know what that is, but it will represent 100%. So we write 80 over x is equal to 20 over 100. Now we solve for x. So to solve for x, we need to get rid of everything on the side that has x and isolate the x. So we multiply both sides by x, or we can invert. Let us invert. Invert. We get x over 80 is equal to 100 over 20. Solving for x means to multiply both sides by 80. So this gives us x over 80 times 80 is equal to 100 over 20 times 80. Whatever you do on one side of the equation, you have to do on the other. So the 80s cancel each other on the left hand side, and we can simplify for the other side, the right hand side. So we will end up with zeros cancelling, and 2 can go into itself once, 2 can go into 10 5 times. So now we are left with x is equal to 5 times 80, which is 400. So the total amount is 100%, which is $400.